Welcome to Solace Education. In this video we want to talk to you about our gardening course, our gardening history, skills and business course. So that is two elements to it. The first element is run in our classroom, and in there we talk about the history of gardening, we talk about food production, and we also talk about modern agriculture. The second element of the course is very hands-on, it's practical, it's fun, and we run it right here in the middle of our garden centre in our beautiful plants area. So in the second element we talk about seed, where the seed comes from and how to sow the seed. With that, students get a hands-on experience, they get to get involved, work as a team, and they grow their own plants from seeds. They also get to take those plants home with them. Before leaving, we of course give advice on how to look after those plants. The second element of the practical is a soil test, and for that we ask schools to please bring in your soil samples to us, and together with the students we will work together to do tests on the soil. We'll test for pH, we'll test for fertility, and we'll also test for soil texture. So with that, students are getting a real understanding of soil, they're getting to learn about how to look after plants, look after their soil. It's a really good, practical, hands-on course that gives students an introduction to gardening, an introduction to growing, and we hope gets them really inspired to grow their own. So that's the course, that's our gardening course from Solace Education. Thank you.